Hey everyone, so today I'm back with another video. First of all, I'd ask you, if you are watching and you enjoy my videos, please click the subscribe button and give a like down below. So today I want to do some facts and myths surrounding mental health. It's going to be quite a quick video. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Fact number 1. 9 out of 10 people with mental health problems face stigma and discrimination, whether casually or intended. For example, many people have told me to be careful with the internet published work or public sphere work I'm doing on mental health advocacy, because future employers will see it and see my struggles and maybe think twice. And funny enough, it has actually happened to me. I've had employers on the phone turn around to me and tell me, well, we're concerned you wouldn't be able to come in, you wouldn't be able to do your work, we don't think you can travel by yourself, etc. Really making up excuses, poor ones that kind of meant the condition was defining me, which of course it does not. So, more than anything, it made me realise, well, if you're going to be like that, it doesn't, mental health doesn't define me or doesn't define anyone else. So straight up, I don't really want to work for you. Why would I want to work for anyone like that? I'm an articulate, intellectual, young adult that's self-defined, recovering, and I do what I do and I have my own integrity. So as everyone else out there fighting their inner battles does as well. So if employers don't choose to recognise that, mental health is an issue, well, soon enough they're going to be left employeeless, as you'll see from future statistics that are about to come down below. So the first myth I want to go into is young people experiencing such issues don't have anything, it's just puberty. This was one I was stung by several psychiatrists and psychologists alike. They were saying, no, he'll grow out of this. It's not necessarily true, and it's actually unfathomable that someone would be so negligent in their professional duties to just say that. So please do not feel that way towards people. Fact number 2, the Guardian newspaper this comes from, 1 in 4 adults will experience a mental health condition every year, ranging from anxiety, depression, PTSD to kind of substance abuses. And 3 in 4 mental health issues actually start at childhood, 75% of which before the age of 18, 50% of which are rooted from the age of 15 or lower. And as is the case for me at the age of 9 with my dad passing away. So the next myth is it's easy for people to talk about thoughts and feelings. Even me, I struggle. It might come across as being easy for me, but it is not. Even when I'm in therapy, I get told, not off, but I get pulled up in the fact that I'm masking thoughts and feelings, and my therapist saying, now what's really going on? It isn't easy, and sometimes we do deflect. Next fact, according to the UN World Health Organization, around 20% of all children and adolescents have mental health issues. Furthermore, mental health, in conjunction with and or independently of, is the leading cause of disability worldwide. And this is huge. If that doesn't, kind of resonate and explain how deep the problem is, I just don't know another way to communicate it, type of thing. So yeah, please remember, if you're at all worried, consult a physician or a doctor or whatever it might be where you are that's the relevant source to help you. And the final myth is saying to yourself that I cannot and will not recover. You can and you will, in my opinion. Mental health does not define us, as I've said. It may feel like it takes over, but, and I can totally empathise with that. However, the correct kind of support, people and care plans around us will give you ample opportunity, and I believe in all of you there is a strength inside of us to be able to recover in a safe and healthy environment. So why am I telling you all this? Well, it's really simple, to be honest. The understanding of what mental health is key. Not enough people, too many people rather, still fail to want to understand what's going on and the issues surrounding it and feel like it's a joke, and it's not. It's a very serious thing. And so with it being such a prominent issue, and as I've explained, such a rising issue in the world's leading cause of disability, it's so important to have contextual understanding so that we can help others, not just by me talking about what I talk about, which is my own issues, but to help people realise there is so much more we can do to help other people. So I hope you enjoyed these facts and myths, and that's it for today. So please be kind to one another, stay safe, you're loved, and peace out to you all. Please If you can, as I said, remember to subscribe and like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.